I think we got that. We got the diversity down right. And we went over this. We, being Chicago Association of Realtors Board of Directors, had an advance. And led by Chelsea Hayes, who really took a deep dive on this element of diversity and inclusion. So I think we got it down right with diversity. We open it up to everyone to come. We got the inclusion part down, come and be a part, but we get stuck on the equity piece. And that speaks to what Nakia was talking about. Equity means give me the tools to be successful. And I think that is a missing link, because you want me to be a part of the situation, but you don't want to give me access to the resources. You don't want to give me the tools so that I too can be successful. So when we talk about solutions, really think about, am I really walking the walk and talking the talk in terms of equity? We throw that around very loosely, but think about it. Are you providing an equitable environment for people to be successful?